It's that time to be able to share some of my favorites from the past month and actually a few months prior too. We have a real mixture, some housewares, some food preparations, some beauty, skincare, just a real assortment. So here goes. I'm going to start rolling right through them. And what a fun one to start with. This tastes like snickerdoodle cookies. I discovered while staying in a hotel. Wonderful. Oh, and this is one of my favorite little things, this little garbage can, and you can see how tiny it is. It sits right by our coffee maker, and I love it for things like this, putting in the packets or the wrappers from tea bags, or it's just it's just a fun little one of my favorite little things. Okay, so another favorite thing, of course, that's on this list is my latte maker. Well, at least the frother to make the cream for a latte. It's wonderful. Right now, I'm just using a non-dairy creamer to be able to put in here. And one of the really cool things about this is it can be for hot or for cold. So when you saw that blue light, that keeps it cold. The others warm them up. But it is just wonderful. You can put a lot of different kind of creams in there, and it just makes such a great latte or any other kind of drink that you want from there. It's nice and frothy, and the cleanup is actually really easy as well too. So just a really fun little extra gadget to have if you are a coffee drinker. And then you'll see I like to put a little special vanilla sugar on top too. And we continue this time with my Ninja blender. It's an auto IQ, so it does an amazing job on smoothies. It can also make spoonable bowls, like acai bowls. But it's wonderful. Right now I'm making one of my four favorite smoothies where I put spinach and there's some zucchini and some frozen carrots and some protein powder. And it's all non-dairy, gluten-free. It has different seeds in it as well. But the wonderful thing is it just makes it really healthy, and it's so fast and so easy to clean. I've also had to do this for some of my digestive challenges I've had, which I'll talk about another time. The directions were also wonderful. Highly recommend. Just love this blender. I can't believe how much I use it. And it, like I said, it is really easy also to clean. I also did purchase a few extra of those cup containers so I can always have one ready to go. And I know it might not look so great, but it really does taste wonderful. And now something more fun too for organization. These are my bamboo drawer inserts, and you'll see as I'm opening them, there's a variety of different sizes, shapes, purposes. There's some that are specifically for cutlery, some that are just like different inserts, some that are just single pieces that you can divide further, and they are just wonderful. I love the way that they look. And now more organization fun, batteries. This is an amazing place. Keep all your batteries in one place. Even has a battery tester. Love it. How has this been so far for you? Have you found some products and different things that you think might be worth venturing off and trying for yourself? Go ahead and leave some comments below. Or the other piece that I'm really looking forward to, if you have some other products or some other things that you want to share with the rest of the community, and of course myself, then go ahead and leave that in the comment down below. Excited to see what you all think. Now back to some more. How many of you love candles? I love candles myself, and I love these flameless ones that even have a remote. You can set them to come off at certain times, set them for certain schedules. I just love these. I just use batteries. Love it. And these wall sconces are a marriage made in heaven with our flameless candles. Look at these. They are just wonderful and add that extra touch. And as we wrap up, I want to share my favorite cleanser for taking off makeup. It even takes off waterproof mascara. It is fantastic. The Body Shop Chamomile Cleansing Balm. And tied to that too, my favorite eyeliner that does not smudge. CoverGirl Exhibitionist. This is in the brown. I also do get it in black, but it is wonderful. You have to sharpen the edge, but it is absolutely wonderful. Okay, so I am so excited to be able to be back if you haven't been able to tell already. And I'm looking forward to continuing on our adventure, including whether it's talking about favorites, talking about hobbies, wherever we want to go. Wishing you some wonderful opportunities for learning and for embracing yourself. So until next time, wishing you all well.